In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to boil pumpkin for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner, and it's going to be filling and so yum. Pumpkin is a superfood that is low in saturated fats and cholesterol, so that means that it's a perfect weight loss food. Also, it's high in vitamin A and E and minerals such as potassium and copper. Not forgetting, it's high in fiber, which is going to help your digestive system to be healthy. You're going to need some pumpkin, and the next step is going to be cutting your pumpkin in half and removing the seeds and the pulp. And once done, make sure to wash the outside because you're going to be boiling for breakfast. Using a sharp knife, I'm going to cut my pumpkin in quarters. And I have 4 quarters that I'm also going to be chopping up into smaller pieces. The trick to boiling the perfect pumpkin is boiling together with the skin because it's going to hold shape. So I'm going to cut into medium sizes just like this. Place on a plate, a bowl. Pick the next one. And you'll notice that I'm chopping up the pumpkin into the same size so that it can boil evenly. And once done, I'm going to pick a pot, place over medium-high flame, transfer in the pumpkin, adding 2 cups of water, salt. Then you're going to cover your pot, wait for the water to come to a boil, check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to throw in some more salt. Boiling your pumpkin is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes, and also it's going to depend on the size that you've chopped up your pumpkin. When it comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the flames to medium so that the pumpkin can slowly simmer without overcooking. This is after 8 minutes. I'm going to check if it's ready by inserting my skewer. If the skewer can run through just like this, I'm ready to drain off the water. I'm going to cover. And once draining off the water, this is how your pumpkin is going to be looking. So you're going to let it cool down and for the excess moisture to escape. Then you're going to transfer to a platter, a plate, and serve for breakfast. This is how my pumpkin is looking, and as you can see, it's looking so nice and tender. It's just perfect. If you have a clay pot, you can use it to boil your pumpkin and it's going to be even more tastier. So this is a recipe worth trying because it's just taken me around 10 minutes to prep up and cook the pumpkin. So it saves time in the morning and you're going to have a filling breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner. Catch you on my next episode.